Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the JavaScript decorator functions, right? Today we'll be discussing about the reactive programming with RxJS. So reactive programming with the RxJS mainly focuses on the asynchronous data streams. As I've said, just know about this. Basically, when I say reactive programming with RxJS, it mainly focuses on asynchronous data streams. It provides operators to handle real-time data transformations, making it ideal for applications like event handling and API calls, right? So I'll quickly let's try to implement the same by taking the basic observable, by taking the example basic observable. Next, we will try to understand the same, or we'll try to implement with the example transforming streams with the map by considering map. First, let's see with the basic observable, right? So let me quickly come here. Let me create a file index.js. So here what I'll do, let me quickly install RxJS, right? Just give npm install or npm I RxJS. Let's wait for some time until this gets installed. Yeah, you can clearly see we have installed the RxJS package, right? So next what we will do, I'll just come here quickly. Just let me close this one. Yeah, let me come here. Let me make use of the observable from the RxJS package, right? So I'll quickly give here observable, sorry. This one require of this thing, Rx from the RxJS, right? So next what I'll do, let's make use of observable variable name. So let me give here quickly observable. So I'll just come here. Yeah, this got automatically. So this was wrong basically. Sorry. Let me delete this one. So let me quickly format this one as well. Yeah, new observable. Within this one, let's pass this one, subscriber. Let me do one thing. Yeah, I'll quickly pass the subscriber, right? This has to be capital small. So let me, yeah, subscriber dot next. Let me pass one over here. Let me copy the same thing twice. So here instead of 1, I'll give 2. Here instead of this one, next let me delete this one. Instead, let's make use of the complete, right? So this is function. So this is it for observable. Next, what we'll do, let's make use of the subscribe with the observable dot subscribe. So within this one, what shall I do? I'll just give here next. Let's pass v, anything. I'll just consider v. It's quickly log something. I'll just make use of the template literals. I'll just give here received, and quickly let me give here within the flower braces. I'll just consider v. I have passed, right? So I'll just consider v. So next line, I'll just make use of the complete. Here within the complete, let's pass the function and quickly log something. I'll just give here console log of stream complete, something like that. So hope this is clear. So this has to be common, right? Then if I try to execute the code, then I have to get the output received 1, this one, received 1 and received 2. Then what we have given here, yeah, stream complete. So we have only passed 1 and 2, right, within the subscriber. We made use of the observable within the subscriber dot next. We have passed 1 and 2. So here we are logging the same thing next, right, by making use of the observable dot subscribe within the next. So we have to get the output received 1, received 2, as well as the stream complete. So I just come here quickly. Let me give node index.js. So you can see here we are getting the output received 1, received 2, stream and complete, which is completely correct. I'll quickly explain what I have done here. So this one here, observable, what I have considered here, this creates a data stream. So again I'm telling, observable, what you see here, so basically this creates a data stream. Then what is subscriber dot next here doing within the observable, right? So what this subscriber dot next does is it emits the values to the stream, right? This is emitting the values to the stream. Finally, what is subscribe doing then? Subscribe listens for the emitted values. This one you can clearly see here. This one within the observable, what we have considered here, subscriber, right? Subscriber dot next, this is emitting the value to the stream. Finally, subscribe, so this subscribe listens for the emitted values, right? So that is the reason we are getting the output. So we are just logging over here within the subscribe received and with the this one, right? So we have to get the output 1, 2 and the stream complete. That's what we are getting here. So this works absolutely correct. So now we saw the basic observable example. Next, let's see transforming the streams with map, or transforming streams with the help of the map, right? So I'll quickly delete this one. So let me clear this one. Just give me a second. Yeah, I'll just quickly come here and consider of let me give here a require of, it's coming from the RxJS, right? So I'll just give RxJS. Let's make use of map. Let me quickly give here require RxJS slash, it is coming from the operators. So I'll just give here operators. Let me make use of very quickly. Let me pass some random numbers. I'll just give 1, 2, 3 in my case. So you try out with the different numbers. In my case, I'll just give 1, 2, 3. So here I have to pass pipe. Within the pipe, I'll just make it a map. So did I do anything wrong here? No, right? So yeah. Let me give here x equals x into 2. So I hope this is clear. Next, let's make use of the subscribe now. Subscribe of, let me pass the value over here. Let's log the value quickly. I'll just give here console log of, I've considered the value as the parameter, right? So I'll just log the value with the parameter. So output that we need to get now is, I have considered 1, 2, 3. So we are giving x into 2, right? So it has to be 2, 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 2, 6. Nothing but 2, 4, 6 we need to get. So I'll just come here. Let me format the document once here. Begin node index.js. Clearly you can see here the output that we are getting here is 2, 4 and 6. So I'll quickly explain what I have done here. We are making use of here, right? So which is coming from basically RxJS. So what is the use of it? Basically what is it doing? So it emits a sequence of numbers. So you can clearly see here, this is emitting a sequence of number 1, 2, 3 over here, right? So it emits a sequence of numbers. So then what is map doing here? So I have made use of the map. Clearly you can see here, right? This is coming from the RxJS slash operator. So what is map doing here, or what does the map does? What does map do here? Map operator transforms each value by multiplying by 2. That's what it is doing here, right? Again, I'm telling it emits a sequence of numbers. You can clearly see 1, 2, 3 here. Map I have made use of map in this line. So map operator transforms each value by multiplying by 2. So the output that we need to get here is 246. That's what we are getting here. So the concept of transforming streams with the map and the basic observable, nothing but the concept of reactive programming with RxJS. I hope this is completely clear. We have seen with the 2 examples, right? So I hope the concept of reactive programming with RxJS is completely clear. I insist to try out with the different examples. Just don't go with with these examples, right? Just try it on your own, give different values, just try out the different examples as well. You'll get to know the concept better. So next, what I'll be doing, I'll just let's try discussing on understanding the set prototype of and get prototype of, right? So next we'll be discussing on the set prototype of and get prototype of. So for now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.